And our news for the basketball 2024. So for our second runner-up, for the basketball news 2024, we have news number 5, Miss Maria Ferriposo, garnering an average score of 85%. And for our first runner-up, we have garnering an average score of 90.3%. We have news number 8, Miss Cherry Ann Riataza. And for our basketball news 2024, we have news number 4, Miss Angelica Padilla. So congratulations to all winners, and for those non-winners, you are still beautiful and do not feel less as a person, because we are all equal in the eyes of our Almighty Father. So thank you so much. Your certificates and the prizes will be on May 13. Will be given on May 13. That's per day. So thank you so much. And once again, thank you so much to the parent board of judges, Ms. Yvonne Dizor, Mr.